Okay, here we have a question here. The graph of a linear equation is shown in this diagram, and then we say that which of the following is the equation of the line in point-slope form. Now, when you're talking about point-slope form, you're looking at m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is a slope. So multiply this by this, and let's say x2 is not x2. Let's say x2 is x and y2 is just y. So we're going to have y minus y1. I'm flipping the equation. I'm flipping it. Is equal to m, and then this x2, we're saying x2 is x, so x minus x1. This is what we call the point slope form of the equation. Okay, so we're going to pick out the values of y and x. So these are the values here. We're just going to have y1, rather we're going to just pick one of them, y1 and x1. But the first thing you're going to do is to get a slope. Of course, your slope will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you just simply put minus 4 minus 2 here, sorry, for y2, 2 minus 4, that will give you 6. Then we have minus 4 minus 4, okay, minus 4 minus 4 here, that will give you minus 8. So you have 6 over minus 8. If you reduce that, you have 3 over minus 4, or minus 3 over 4. Anyhow you want to do that, minus 3 over 4, okay, negative 3 over 4, right? Alright, so if you have that as your slope, we're going to replace it here, and then we're going to pick one of the points. We're going to pick one of the points. You can pick this point or you can pick this point. You may pick this point. So let's see, y minus y1 there is minus 4, so we have minus 4, so that's y plus 4, okay, because we just pick only one point. Is equal to m, which we got as minus 3 over 4 into x minus the x1 there is this same point, this point I picked, so the x is 4, so we have minus 4, x minus 4. Alright, so this is it in point slope form, and is this your answer in point slope form? This is your question, point slope form. So you look at which of them matches, y plus 4 and x minus 4. So this is not it, because it's 4 over 3 here. We're looking for 3 over 4. This look like it, no, but this is minus. Okay, y minus 4 equals to minus 4 over 3, x plus 4. This doesn't go because this is minus and this is plus, so this doesn't go. But we can also use the second point. We have y plus 2 over there, plus 2, so y minus 2, rather, get it, my minus here, minus y1, so we have 2 there. Let's use this point. We're going to use this point to y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 over 4 as usual, as your m, and we have x minus, now remember, x minus 4, that's minus 4, you know, that's plus 4, x plus 4. So this is another point slope. These are the 2 point slope forms for each of these points here. So let's check which of them matches. So you have y minus 2, x plus 4, so definitely answer is C. They decided to use the second point. Okay, alright, let's go to the next one. Let's look at the next one here. The next question says the next question says which of the slope is the equation of the line in slope intercept form. Now when we talk about slope intercept form, that is the normal form that you know, slope intercept form. Now y equal to mx plus c, that's the slope intercept form. Y equal to mx plus c, very important. Okay, and what we have here, we get remember our slope was minus 3 over 4, okay, and we have x there. Our intercept is here. This is the point intercept, because you know that's where it cuts the y-axis, and that is minus 1, 4. So we have minus 1 there. Y is equal to that. Y is equal to this 1 minus 3 over 4 x minus 1. So which of them goes? This B. B. Looks like B is the answer here. So that's it. That's it for slope-intercept form. Alright. So here we have which of the following is the equation of the line in standard form. Okay, so from that y equal to mx plus c, where you have your y equal to minus 3 over 4, if you can still recall, minus 3 over 4 plus c x plus c, that's plus minus 1, which is this. This was the slope form. So what you do, simply multiply everything by 4. Okay, you multiply everything by 4, you have 4y is equal to minus 3x minus 4. Remember, minus 4 times minus 1, like that. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. So we have that. Yeah, you can rearrange this. So you have 4y plus 3x, 4y plus 3x equals to minus 4. Now the only option, because addition is commutative, this is the answer. 3x plus 4y, same thing as saying 4y plus 3x. So this is our answer, B. Alright, let's go to the next question. So here in this question we have, in 2005, 120 students at Lincoln High School had smartphones. By 2010, 345 students in the same school had smartphones. Which of the following best describes the annual rate of change in the number of smartphones students had from 2005 to 2010? So you see, we're having x being 120, and for 5 years later we're having 345. Okay, and if you look at that, you just simply subtract this, because simply subtract this, and you have 120, 345 minus 120, you're gonna get so 345, that will give you 225. That's the increase. That's the increase, but it happened within a period of 5 years. So the average increase in the number of smartphones per year is 45. So B is your answer. Okay, 25, 2005 to 2010. Okay, so that's all for 1 to 4. I'm gonna send the next video. So it's more.